ang Cat's Eye is K-pop or
Parang
ano ba
global
sila?
girl group sila
Oo
pinopromote.
Ay,
nga
kasi yun
eh.
yung branding nila na global girl
Oo.
group sila.
Correct.
Oo.
Okay.
And
Pero
like they're
parang
trained under the K-pop system, pero they were trained in the USR.
In the US.
in the
Oo.
So
US.
kapag US ka, global na yun.
Parang ganun. Or yun nga, parang feeling ko it's all
Let's
marketing
go
din eh. Oo.
colonization.
Yeah.
Because technically, they never branded themselves as K-pop, but they
That's
showed so
true.
much na they went through the K-pop system nga, diba? So
Correct.
parang, ano nga
Oo.
ba yun? Are they really K-pop or are they not? But I
They
always
perform in
consider,
Korea sa mga
and they
shows
perform
pa.
in Korea.
Mm-mm.
And they have a Korean member. I mean, not that
They
that
do.
already says na just because my Korean member K-pop na to, pero parang
Correct.
Oo.
for me, I always consider Cat's Eye as part of K-pop na rin just because they're under Hybe label. So alam mo yun, fino-follow nila yung sistema ng Hybe and Geffen.
Mhm.
Pero ang
Oo,
lakas ng,
correct.
especially since we saw the reality show nga, yung, what's it called again? Dream Academy.
Dream Academy.
Yeah.
Nakita
And
natin na
si Bang
very,
PD was also involved.
exactly. Nakita natin na very involved ang K-pop. So I've always thought of them as K-pop
Si
na rin.
Sun
Kahit
Sung-duk.
na
Correct.
kahit na
Sun Sung-duk.
technically, oo tama, kahit na technically global pop group ang pinoproject nila to the
Cat's Eye.
world. Sofia La Forteza. So she is 23 this year. She is Filipino, but she was born in Queens, apparently. I just read.
American
and of course,
citizen.
yeah,
Kaya
of course we
pala,
know
madali lang
that
siya
she
umikot-ikot.
is. Kaya pala
Powerful
siya, ang bilis
passport.
napuntang LA. Para dun sa
Correct. Oo, niya
Dream
kailangan ng
Academy.
visas.
Oo.
Oo.
So, syempre, alam natin na she is the daughter of Filipino singer-actress Carla Guevara La Forteza and Chef
Of
Godfrey
course.
La Forteza. She debuted with Cat's Eye in 2024. So, that's just last year. Tapos sobrang natutuwa ako kay Sofia kasi she's also a fan of K-pop. She's a huge fan of K-pop. I think we saw this in Dream Academy. And yung sa Enhypen, diba? Parang she was gushing with other Dream Academy contestants. And then suddenly, when they visited Korea, they got to watch a show. And she was like, wow, my God, I can't believe it, blah, blah, blah. And then now, as Cat's Eye member, she gets to like meet them in all these
Correct.
festivals and alam mo yun, K-pop
Yes.
performances and stuff. So it must be cool. What do you guys think of Sophia? Are you guys fans of her?
I love
As in sa
her.
akin, yeah.
Totoo ako sa kanya. Parang Cat's Eye in general, I love Cat's Eye. As in parang bops, alam mo yun, and they're just fun girls to watch. And natutuwa ako kay Sofia kasi parang, I mean, number one, she's a great performer. Parang she has the voice and she can dance. And like we've seen din naman na she really likes what she does. Parang yung time na nagka-COVID siya. Tama ba? Dun sa show.
She was
She
sick.
got sick, but then
She was sick lang.
or was it COVID? She was sick lang.
No,
She
yeah.
was sick, but then they had to do the iconic don't show
Yeah,
your head,
the
di ba?
buttons. Hindi ba buttons?
Tapos
Buttons.
parang tapos siya pa yung focus doon sa part na yon. And then ginawa pa rin niya, alam mo yun, kahit na masakit siya. So parang the professionalism is something that we must look up to. Alam mo yun, nakakatuwa.
Speaking of like buttons, that was what I was gonna say. Like, it's so freaking iconic. Like, that butt action with the hands up in the air. Like, I could never hear buttons without imagining her doing that.
Exactly.
And finding out that she was sick that whole time. I mean, it's not like something that we would like to glorify. When you're sick, you're supposed to rest. It's not something that we want everybody to emulate. Parang that's the part na parang medyo ako dun na tama ba yun? Professional nga ba talaga yun na may sakit ka na nga, magaganyan ka pa? Pero I guess like that iconic moment, parang so parang minsan iniisip ko, so paano pa kung wala siyang sakit? Ano pang kayang itaas ng puwet niya habang naglalakad siya? Ano pang kinaya because like that was just so iconic. And I personally find her a little bit too strong But when I saw yung sa Netflix docu that she was very caring with the other members, I guess that's the good thing about releasing that docu. Kasi hindi ko naman napanood yung buong nila survival. But you just see them perform.
Iba siya.
Well, hindi naman. You just see them perform basically, diba? Parang pag napapanood ko lang siyang mag-perform, I feel like, my God, she looks like a bitch. Parang ganun lang yung impression niya sa akin. But because of the Netflix docu, I'm like, oh wow, she cares so much for everybody. She's like everybody's ate. And I love their TikToks when they're
as the
like
leader.
Exactly.
Yes.
And yung mga TikToks nila about how Sophia is like the one, the TikToks na parang mga pala yun, parang tungkol sa mga live ng mga tao. Parang there's this one with Manon na parang nagle-live siya. Tapos parang, oh my God, Sophia's already texting me. We're supposed to get out of the door. Tapos biglang nagtayuan na sila. Yung gano'n. Parang may rant. Pero parang, okay, sundan na natin si mommy. Tinatawag niya tayo. So I love that she has that role there. Parang, okay, thank you Netflix documentary. Meron pala siyang ganong side sa kanya. Hindi siya, mukha siyang bitch, pero mabait naman pala. Okay naman pala. Parang ganon.
Tapos
stern lang siguro. Or strict maybe. Oo.
Tapos din.
She has a bitchy face.
Siya rin daw yung nagluluto for the members. Ganon.
Yes.
Wow.
Makes sense na naman.
Sinigang.
Gumagawa siyang cookies.
Adobo,
Actually, totoo kasi chef ka naman pala yung tatay.
Chef nga naman din.
Pero di ba parang like, parang may ang tawag dito, parang they gave each other gifts. Diba? Parang may mga ganun silang mga pa-eme sa YouTube. And then they will always give her like some kitchen appliance or
talaga? And she's happy to receive it?
Oo, parang I'll make you cookies. Ganun. Kasi like, she makes cookies. Ganun. Parang sila, yay! That's the reason why we gave it to you. For more cookies.
And she seems so, no? What's the term? Yung parang very, very, hindi strict pero meron siyang goal for, she's such a go-getter. It's so obvious sa mga mata niya.
Oo. As in, parang meron siyang fire behind her.
First honor ba siya nung nandito pa siya?
Oo daw. As in, marami siyang
okay.
She graduated from Multiple Intelligence International School. And she graduated with honors or something like that. And so she's very, she has like a very clear, I guess, plan on how she needs to go about things. Kaya din siguro siya naging leader, kaya siya naging strict at takot yung ibang members. That's na true. Biguin siya, kailangan, on time sila and all that. So
correct. But what I like about her, what I like about her as well, parang may nabasa ko na, di ba parang ang lakas ng Cat's Eye sa TikTok. Tapos parang may mga nagsasabi na parang, pakana ni Sophia to lahat kasi parati siyang kasama sa mga TikTok and she does it with gusto. Alam mo yung parang talagang, alam mo na theater kid siya. I also love the fact that she's a theater kid kasi lumalabas yung pagiging teatro niya kasi parang hindi siya parang she's game for anything. Alam mo yun, basahin niyo ako tubig, game. May kailangan akong gawin, game. Tapos parang may kengkoy side siya na for me is Pinoy. Alam mo yun, yung ganong klaseng kakengko yan. Parang napaka-Pinoy nung dating for me.